human language properties. Our language structure is very different from animals. Some people say that the ability of having such a system of communication is what establishes the difference between animals and humans. These are the aspects that make our language system so unique: arbitrariness. Because the language is a symbol system, we give names to everything, and those names don't have any logical connection with the object that they represent. Words don't have a meaning as such. They are just symbols that aren't connected with the things, but have meaning in our heads. And as we know, there's a way of naming one thing in so many different idioms according to the geographic location of someone. Duality. The language has two specific structures: the primary, which has to do with the phonemes of the lyrics, isolated, which has no meaning in our cognitive system. And the second one has to do with the composition of words, and it's when we compose a whole word, which has meaning in our cognitive system. Structure dependence. Unlike animal language, that has specific sounds for everything that animals want to communicate, each idiom has a grammatical structure that is made by different structure patterns. Productivity is the capability to manipulate or use words and sounds to create many sentences and express many thoughts. Language serves to the human being to communicate whatever they want. Unlike animals that have a limited number of sounds to express their needs. Displacement. The ability that language gives us to talk about something or someone that is not immediately present, or even something that doesn't exist. Linguistically speaking, we go further in space and time. Cultural transmission. The fact that one generation transmits its language to the following generation, and so on. And a difference between animals and humans is that animals were born with the innate capacity to communicate their needs, but human beings must acquire an idiom to communicate in a verbal language. These, among other things, show us how rich our language is. It goes from expressing needs to communicate feelings and thoughts.